क्या आपको इंग्लिश समझ आती है लेकिन बोल नहीं पाते? क्या आपको टेंसेस समझ आते हैं लेकिन सेंटेंस बनाने में बहुत दिक्कत आती है? तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है, क्योंकि आज हम सीखेंगे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के 200 डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। और अगर आप मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश भी डेफिनेटली इंप्रूव होगी, क्योंकि मैंने इन सेंटेंसेस को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है। मतलब 1 से 50 तक रहेंगे आपके बिगनर लेवल के सेंटेंसेस, देन 50 से 150 तक इंटरमीडिएट लेवल के, देन 150 टू 200 तक रहेंगे आपके एडवांस लेवल के सेंटेंसेस। इन शॉर्ट, आप बिगनर लेवल से एडवांस लेवल तक के सभी सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश लर्न विद माही। आज हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं 200 डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस। ध्यान रहे, आपको सिर्फ देखना नहीं है, आपको बोलना भी है मेरे साथ, क्योंकि जब तक बोलेंगे नहीं इंग्लिश आएगी नहीं। और हाँ, मैं आपको ग्रामर के 12 टेंसेस की अलग अलग वीडियो भी देने वाली हूँ, तो आप उन वीडियो को भी जरूर देखिएगा। बस उसके लिए आप मेरे चैनल को फॉलो कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन जरूर दबा दीजिए, ताकि मैं जब भी वो वीडियो अपलोड करूँ तो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे और इन वीडियो को देखकर आप भी बन जाएं इंग्लिश के मास्टर। तो फिर अब बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। पहले मैं आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के रूल बताऊंगी, देन हम सेंटेंसेस स्टार्ट करेंगे। चलिए लेट्स। तो दोस्तों, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का इस्तेमाल होता है रोज होने वाले कामों में, आदतों में, सच में, रूटीन में और यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ में। रूल बहुत सिंपल है इसका। सब्जेक्ट के बाद वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है, देन ऑब्जेक्ट आता है। आपको सिंपल इतना सा याद रखना है, आई, यू, वी और दे के बाद हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी, और ही, शी, इट और नेम के बाद वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म में एस या ई एस लग जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई प्ले क्रिकेट, ही प्लेज क्रिकेट, they study English, she watches TV. Let's go. मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ, I wake up early. Now speak with me. I wake up early. मैं रोज़ पढ़ाई करता हूँ, I study every day. Now speak with me. I study every day. वह स्कूल जाता है, He goes to school. Now speak with me. He goes to school. वह खाना बनाती है, She cooks food. Now speak with me. She cooks food. हम साथ में खेलते हैं, We play together. Now speak with me. We play together. मैं पानी पीता हूँ, I drink water. Now speak with me. I drink water. वह टीवी देखता है, He watches TV. Now speak with me. He watches TV. वह गाना गाती है, She sings a song. Now speak with me. She sings a song. मैं किताब पढ़ता हूँ, I read a book. Now speak with me. I read a book. हम बाजार जाते हैं, We go to the market. Now speak with me. We go to the market. वह काम करता है, He works. Now speak with me. He works. मैं अंग्रेजी सीखता हूँ, I learn English. Now speak with me. I learn English. वह मुझे बुलाती है, She calls me. Now speak with me. She calls me. मैं सच बोलता हूँ, I tell the truth. Now speak with me. I tell the truth. हम समय पर आते हैं, We come on time. Now speak with me. We come on time. वह जल्दी सोता है. He sleeps early. Now speak with me. He sleeps early. मैं मदद करता हूँ. I help. Now speak with me. I help. वह नाचती है. She dances. Now speak with me. She dances. हम मेहनत करते हैं. We work hard. Now speak with me. We work hard. मैं चाय पीता हूँ. I drink tea. Now speak with me. I drink tea. वह खेलता है. He plays. Now speak with me. He plays. मैं गाड़ी चलाता हूँ. I drive a car. Now speak with me. I drive a car. वह पढ़ाती है. She teaches. Now speak with me. She teaches. हम सीखते हैं. We learn. Now speak with me. We learn. मैं लिखता हूँ. I write. Now speak with me. I write. वह सुनता है. He listens. Now speak with me. He listens. मैं बोलता हूँ. I speak. Now speak with me. I speak. वह समझती है. She understands. Now speak with me. She understands. हम कोशिश करते हैं. We try. Now speak with me. We try. मैं जीतता हूँ. I win. Now speak with me. I win. वह हारता है. He loses. Now speak with me. He loses. मैं दौड़ता हूँ. I run. Now speak with me. I run. वह मुस्कुराती है. She smiles. Now speak with me. She smiles. हम हंसते हैं. We laugh. Now speak with me. We laugh. मैं सीखता हूँ. I learn. Now speak with me. I learn. वह खरीदता है. He buys. Now speak with me. He buys. मैं बेचता हूँ. I sell. Now speak with me. I sell. वह सिखाती है. She teaches. Now speak with me. She teaches. हम देखते हैं. We watch. Now speak with me. We watch. मैं सोचता हूँ. I think. Now speak with me. I think. वह पूछता है. He asks. Now speak with me. He asks. मैं जवाब देता हूँ. I answer. Now speak with me. I answer. वह पढ़ती है. She studies. Now speak with me. She studies. हम लिखते हैं. We write. Now speak with me. We write. मैं समझाता हूँ. I explain. Now speak with me. I explain. वह कोशिश करता है। He tries. Now speak with me. He tries. मैं विश्वास करता हूँ। I believe. Now speak with me. I believe. वह चुनती है। She chooses. Now speak with me. She chooses. हम बनाते हैं। We make. Now speak with me. We make. मैं शुरू करता हूँ। I start. Now speak with me. I start. Great job everyone. अब तक आपने 50 सेंटेंसेस सीख लिए हैं। अब आपकी स्पीकिंग पहले से बेटर हो रही है और थोड़े बड़े सेंटेंसेस की शुरुआत भी हो रही है। तो चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं इंटरमीडिएट लेवल के सेंटेंसेस की। आइए। मैं हर दिन जल्दी उठता हूँ। I wake up early every day. Now speak with me. I wake up early every day. मैं रोज़ इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ। I practice English every day. Now speak with me. I practice English every day. वह समय पर स्कूल जाता है। He goes to school on time. Now speak with me. He goes to school on time. वह घर पर खाना बनाती है। She cooks food at home. Now speak with me. She cooks food at home. हम शाम को साथ में घूमते हैं। We go for a walk in the evening. Now speak with me. We go for a walk in the evening. मैं रोज़ किताब पढ़ता हूँ। I read a book every day. Now speak with me. I read a book every day. वह ध्यान से पढ़ाई करता है। He studies carefully. Now speak with me. He studies carefully. वह गाना गाना पसंद करती है। She likes to sing songs. Now speak with me. She likes to sing songs. हम रोज़ मेहनत करते हैं। We work hard every day. Now speak with me. We work hard every day. मैं समय पर अपना काम करता हूँ। I do my work on time. Now speak with me. I do my work on time. वह हमेशा सच बोलता है। He always tells the truth. Now speak with me. He always tells the truth. मैं अपने दोस्तों से बात करता हूँ। I talk to my friends. Now speak with me. I talk to my friends. वह अपने माता पिता की मदद करती है। She helps her parents. Now speak with me. She helps her parents. हम साथ में पढ़ाई करते हैं। We study together. Now speak with me. We study together. मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखता हूँ। I learn something new every day. Now speak with me. I learn something new every day. वह जल्दी सो जाता है। He goes to bed early. Now speak with me. He goes to bed early. मैं सुबह चाय पीता हूँ। I drink tea in the morning. Now speak with me. I drink tea in the morning. वह स्कूल बस से जाती है। She goes to school by bus. Now speak with me. She goes to school by bus. हम रोज पार्क में खेलते हैं। वी प्ले इन द पार्क एवरी डे। नाउ स्पीक विथ मी। वी प्ले इन द पार्क एवरी डे। मैं अपना होमवर्क समय पर करता हूँ। I do my homework on time. Now speak with me. I do my homework on time. वह अपने काम पर ध्यान देता है। He focuses on his work. Now speak with me. He focuses on his work. मैं रोज पानी ज़्यादा पीता हूँ। I drink more water every day. Now speak with me. I drink more water every day. वह सबके साथ अच्छे से बात करती है। She talks nicely to everyone. Now speak with me. She talks nicely to everyone. हम अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान देते हैं। We focus on our goals. Now speak with me. We focus on our goals. मैं रोज इंग्लिश वीडियो देखता हूँ। I watch English videos every day. Now speak with me. I watch English videos every day. वह हमेशा समय पर आता है। He always comes on time. Now speak with me. He always comes on time. मैं अपने काम को जल्दी पूरा करता हूँ। I finish my work early. Now speak with me. I finish my work early. वह अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलती है। She plays with her friends. Now speak with me. She plays with her friends. हम रोज एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। We exercise every day. Now speak with me. We exercise every day. मैं हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचता हूँ। I always think positive. Now speak with me. I always think positive. वह अपनी गलती मानता है। He accepts his mistake. Now speak with me. He accepts his mistake. मैं दूसरों की मदद करता हूँ। I help others. Now speak with me. I help others. वह अपने काम को अच्छे से करती है। She does her work well. Now speak with me. She does her work well. हम रोज नई चीज़ें सीखते हैं। We learn new things every day. Now speak with me. We learn new things every day. मैं समय की कदर करता हूँ। I value time. Now speak with me. I value time. वह अपने लक्ष्य के लिए मेहनत करता है। He works hard for his goals. Now speak with me. He works hard for his goals. मैं रोज प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ। I practice every day. Now speak with me. I practice every day. वह अपने परिवार के साथ रहता है। He lives with his family. Now speak with me. He lives with his family. हम साथ में खाना खाते हैं। We eat food together. Now speak with me. We eat food together. मैं हर दिन खुश रहने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I try to stay happy every day. Now speak with me. I try to stay happy every day. वह जल्दी तैयार हो जाता है। He gets ready quickly. Now speak with me. He gets ready quickly. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I try to wake up early. Now speak with me. I try to wake up early. वह अपने काम को समय पर ख़त्म करती है. She finished her work on time. Now speak with me. She finished her work on time. हम रोज़ साथ में बात करते हैं. We talk together every day. Now speak with me. We talk together every day. मैं अपनी गलती से सीखता हूँ. I learn from my mistakes. Now speak with me. I learn from my mistakes. वह हर दिन मेहनत करता है. He works hard every day. Now speak with me. He works hard every day. मैं रोज़ इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I try to speak English every day. Now speak with me. I try to speak English every day. वह अपने सपनों को पूरा करना चाहती है. She wants to achieve her dreams. Now speak with me. She wants to achieve her dreams. हम अपने भविष्य के लिए मेहनत करते हैं. We work hard for our future. Now speak with me. We work hard for our future. मैं हर दिन बेहतर बनने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I try to become better every day. Now speak with me. I try to become better every day. मैं रोज़ अपने लक्ष्य के बारे में सोचता हूँ. I think about my goals every day. Now speak with me. I think about my goals every day. वह अपने काम को अच्छे से समझता है. He understands his work well. Now speak with me. He understands his work well. मैं अपने समय का सही उपयोग करता हूँ. I use my time wisely. Now speak with me. I use my time wisely. वह हमेशा सही निर्णय लेती है. She makes the right decisions. Now speak with me. She makes the right decisions. हम रोज़ अपने कौशल में सुधार करते हैं. We improve our skills every day. Now speak with me. We improve our skills every day. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ समय बिताता हूँ. I spend time with my friends. Now speak with me. I spend time with my friends. वह अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखता है. He takes care of his family. Now speak with me. He takes care of his family. मैं हर दिन खुद को प्रेरित करता हूँ. I motivate myself every day. Now speak with me. I motivate myself every day. वह हर काम समय पर करती है. She does every task on time. Now speak with me. She does every task on time. हम अपनी गलतियों से सीखते हैं. We learn from our mistakes. Now speak with me. We learn from our mistakes. मैं अपने दिन की योजना पहले करता हूँ. I plan my day in advance. Now speak with me. I plan my day in advance. वह हमेशा सकारात्मक रहती है. She stays positive always. Now speak with me. She stays positive always. मैं हर काम ध्यान से करता हूँ. I do every task carefully. Now speak with me. I do every task carefully. वह अपने लक्ष्य पर फोकस करता है। He focuses on his goals. Now speak with me. He focuses on his goals. हम रोज नई चीजें कोशिश करते हैं। We try new things every day. Now speak with me. We try new things every day. मैं अपने काम को enjoy करता हूँ। I enjoy my work. Now speak with me. I enjoy my work. वह अपने दोस्तों की मदद करता है। He helps his friends. Now speak with me. He helps his friends. मैं हर दिन कुछ अच्छा सोचता हूँ। I think something good every day. Now speak with me. I think something good every day. वह हमेशा साफ बोलती है। She speaks clearly always. Now speak with me. She speaks clearly always. हम अपने समय का सही उपयोग करते हैं। We use our time wisely. Now speak with me. We use our time wisely. मैं हर दिन खुद को बेहतर बनाता हूँ। I improve myself every day. Now speak with me. I improve myself every day. वह अपने काम को समय पर पूरा करता है। He completes his work on time. Now speak with me. He completes his work on time. मैं रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखता हूँ। I learn little by little every day. Now speak with me. I learn little by little every day. वह अपने परिवार के साथ खुश रहती है। She stays happy with her family. Now speak with me. She stays happy with her family. हम अपने लक्ष्य के लिए मेहनत करते हैं। We work hard for our goals. Now speak with me. We work hard for our goals. मैं रोज सुबह जल्दी उठने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I try to wake up early every morning. Now speak with me. I try to wake up early every morning. वह अपने काम को गंभीरता से लेता है। He takes his work seriously. Now speak with me. He takes his work seriously. मैं हर दिन अंग्रेजी बोलने की अभ्यास करता हूँ। I practice speaking English every day. Now speak with me. I practice speaking English every day. वह अपने दोस्तों के साथ समय बिताती है। She spends time with her friends. Now speak with me. She spends time with her friends. हम साथ में आगे बढ़ते हैं। We move forward together. Now speak with me. We move forward together. मैं हर दिन खुद पर विश्वास करता हूँ। I believe in myself every day. Now speak with me. I believe in myself every day. वह अपने सपनों के लिए मेहनत करता है। He works hard for his dreams. Now speak with me. He works hard for his dreams. मैं हर काम पूरे मन से करता हूँ। I do every task wholeheartedly. Now speak with me. I do every task wholeheartedly. वह हमेशा सच बोलती है। She always speaks the truth. Now speak with me. She always speaks the truth. हम अपने भविष्य के लिए योजना करते हैं. We plan for our future. Now speak with me. We plan for our future. मैं हर दिन नई चीज़ें सीखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I try to learn new things every day. Now speak with me. I try to learn new things every day. वह अपने काम में फोकस रखती है. She stays focused on her work. Now speak with me. She stays focused on her work. मैं अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करना चाहता हूँ. I want to achieve my goals. Now speak with me. I want to achieve my goals. वह अपने समय की कदर करता है. He values his time. Now speak with me. He values his time. हम अपने काम को गंभीरता से लेते हैं. We take our work seriously. Now speak with me. We take our work seriously. मैं हर दिन खुद को प्रेरित करता हूँ. I motivate myself every day. Now speak with me. I motivate myself every day. वह अपने परिवार से प्यार करता है. He loves his family. Now speak with me. He loves his family. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ खुश रहता हूँ. I stay happy with my friends. Now speak with me. I stay happy with my friends. वह हर काम ध्यान से करती है. She does every task carefully. Now speak with me. She does every task carefully. हम अपने लक्ष्य को लेकर गंभीर रहते हैं. We stay serious about our goals. Now speak with me. We stay serious about our goals. मैं हर दिन बेहतर बनने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I try to become better every day. Now speak with me. I try to become better every day. वह अपने काम को एंजॉय करती है. She enjoys her work. Now speak with me. She enjoys her work. मैं हर दिन खुद पर काम करता हूँ. I work on myself every day. Now speak with me. I work on myself every day. वह हमेशा आगे बढ़ने की सोचता है. He always thinks about moving forward. Now speak with me. He always thinks about moving forward. हम हर दिन सफलता के करीब जाते हैं. We move closer to success every day. Now speak with me. We move closer to success every day. देखा कितना आसान था बिगनर और इंटरमीडिएट लेवल के सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करना. अब तक आपने 150 सेंटेंसेस सीख लिए हैं. अगर आप रोज इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आप जल्द ही इंग्लिश बोलने लगेंगे. चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं एडवांस लेवल के सेंटेंसेस की. आइए. मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ और व्यायाम करता हूँ. I wake up early and do exercise. Now speak with me. I wake up early and do exercise. मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ और नोट्स बनाता हूँ. I study and make notes. Now speak with me. I study and make notes. वह स्कूल जाता है और ध्यान से पढ़ता है. He goes to school and studies carefully. Now speak with me. He goes to school and studies carefully. वह खाना बनाती है और सबको खिलाती है. She cooks food and serves everyone. Now speak with me. She cooks food and serves everyone. हम साथ में खेलते हैं और मज़ा करते हैं. We play together and have fun. Now speak with me. We play together and have fun. मैं पानी पीता हूँ और स्वस्थ रहता हूँ. I drink water and stay healthy. Now speak with me. I drink water and stay healthy. वह काम करता है और पैसे कमाता है. He works and earns money. Now speak with me. He works and earns money. वह गाना गाती है और खुश रहती है. She sings songs and stays happy. Now speak with me. She sings songs and stays happy. मैं किताब पढ़ता हूँ और सीखता हूँ. I read books and learn. Now speak with me. I read books and learn. हम बाजार जाते हैं और सामान खरीदते हैं. We go to the market and buy things. Now speak with me. We go to the market and buy things. मैं अंग्रेज़ी सीखता हूँ और रोज़ अभ्यास करता हूँ. I learn English and practice every day. Now speak with me. I learn English and practice every day. वह जल्दी उठता है लेकिन देर से सोता है. He wakes up early but sleeps late. Now speak with me. He wakes up early but sleeps late. मैं मेहनत करता हूँ इसलिए सफल होता हूँ. I work hard so I succeed. Now speak with me. I work hard so I succeed. वह पढ़ाई करती है क्योंकि उसे सीखना पसंद है. She studies because she likes to learn. Now speak with me. She studies because she likes to learn. हम मेहनत करते हैं और अपने सपने पूरे करते हैं. We work hard and achieve our dreams. Now speak with me. We work hard and achieve our dreams. मैं समय पर आता हूँ और सबका आदर करता हूँ. I come on time and respect everyone. Now speak with me. I come on time and respect everyone. वह सच बोलता है और भरोसा जीतता है. He tells the truth and wins trust. Now speak with me. He tells the truth and wins trust. मैं जल्दी सोता हूँ और ताज़ा महसूस करता हूँ. I sleep early and feel fresh. Now speak with me. I sleep early and feel fresh. वह दोस्तों से बात करती है और खुश रहती है. She talks to her friends and stays happy. Now speak with me. She talks to her friends and stays happy. हम साथ में पढ़ते हैं और एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. We study together and help each other. Now speak with me. We study together and help each other. मैं रोज़ लिखता हूँ और अपने कौशल में सुधार करता हूँ. I write every day and improve my skills. Now speak with me. I write every day and improve my skills. वह ध्यान से सुनता है और जल्दी समझता है। He listens carefully and understands quickly. Now speak with me. He listens carefully and understands quickly. मैं बोलता हूँ लेकिन कभी कभी गलती करता हूँ। I speak but sometimes I make mistakes. Now speak with me. I speak but sometimes I make mistakes. वह मेहनत करती है इसलिए आगे बढ़ती है। She works hard so she moves forward. Now speak with me. She works hard so she moves forward. हम सीखते हैं क्योंकि हमें विकास चाहिए। We learn because we want growth. Now speak with me. We learn because we want growth. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ और हार नहीं मानता। I try and do not give up. Now speak with me. I try and do not give up. वह काम करता है लेकिन थकता नहीं है। He works but does not get tired. Now speak with me. He works but does not get tired. मैं सोचता हूँ और सही फैसला लेता हूँ। I think and make the right decision. Now speak with me. I think and make the right decision. वह योजना करती है और समय प्रबंधन करती है। She plans and manages time. Now speak with me. She plans and manages time. हम रोज अभ्यास करते हैं और सुधार होते हैं। We practice every day and improve. Now speak with me. We practice every day and improve. मैं सीखता हूँ और दूसरों को सिखाता हूँ। I learn and teach others. Now speak with me. I learn and teach others. वह मेहनत करता है और सफलता पाता है। He works hard and gets success. Now speak with me. He works hard and gets success. मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ इसलिए उत्पादक रहता हूँ। I wake up early so I stay productive. Now speak with me. I wake up early so I stay productive. वह अपने लक्ष्य बनाती है और उन्हें अनुसरण करती है। She sets goals and follows them. Now speak with me. She sets goals and follows them. हम साथ काम करते हैं और अच्छा परिणाम पाते हैं। We work together and get good results. Now speak with me. We work together and get good results. मैं रोज अभ्यास करता हूँ और आत्मविश्वासी बनता हूँ। I practice daily and become confident. Now speak with me. I practice daily and become confident. वह पढ़ती है लेकिन तनाव नहीं लेती। She studies but does not take stress. Now speak with me. She studies but does not take stress. मैं बोलता हूँ और धीरे धीरे सुधार करता हूँ। I speak and improve slowly. Now speak with me. I speak and improve slowly. वह सीखती है क्योंकि उसे रुचि है। She learns because she has interest. Now speak with me. She learns because she has interest. हम कोशिश करते हैं और हार नहीं मानते। We try and do not give up. Now speak with me. We try and do not give up. मैं रोज़ मेहनत करता हूँ और आगे बढ़ता हूँ। I work hard every day and move forward. Now speak with me. I work hard every day and move forward. वह समय का सही उपयोग करती है और सफल होती है। She uses time wisely and succeeds. Now speak with me. She uses time wisely and succeeds. मैं अपने लक्ष्य पर केंद्रित करता हूँ और ध्यान भटकने से बचता हूँ। I focus on my goals and avoid distractions. Now speak with me. I focus on my goals and avoid distractions. वह बोलती है और आत्मविश्वास से व्यक्त करती है। She speaks and expresses confidently. Now speak with me. She speaks and expresses confidently. हम सीखते हैं और ज्ञान बढ़ाते हैं। We learn and increase knowledge. Now speak with me. We learn and increase knowledge. मैं अभ्यास करता हूँ और प्रवाह में सुधार करता हूँ। I practice and improve fluency. Now speak with me. I practice and improve fluency. वह मेहनत करती है और कभी हार नहीं मानती। She works hard and never gives up. Now speak with me. She works hard and never gives up. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ इसलिए बेहतर बनता हूँ। I try so I become better. Now speak with me. I try so I become better. वह सीखती है और अपने लक्ष्य प्राप्त करती है। She learns and achieves her goals. Now speak with me. She learns and achieves her goals. हम रोज़ अभ्यास करते हैं और सफलता के करीब जाते हैं। We practice every day and move closer to success. Now speak with me. We practice every day and move closer to success. तो आज आप सीख चुके हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के 200 सेंटेंसेस और यकीन मानिए दोस्तों, अगर आप रोज इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आप बहुत जल्द इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू कर देंगे। और हाँ, जैसे मैंने आपको वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, मैं आपको 12 टेंसेस की अलग अलग वीडियो भी देने वाली हूँ, तो आप उनको भी ज़रूर देखिए और मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा भी हेल्पफुल लगा हो और आपकी इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा काम आए तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, एक लाइक ज़रूर दीजिए और कमेंट करिए बहुत प्यारा सा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। कैच यू लेटर।